For last 2 days I was not there. I don't know whether you had practiced or not. So today I'm going to start out with math sample paper. So those are interested. Okay, let me ask whether you started sample papers or not. Not yet started. So here, those are serious enough for your exams. Get ready to solving math sample papers. It depends on your practice. Like as much papers you will be solving, you will get clear with the concept. So I advise everyone to practice more and more to score well. Vivek, are you there? Vivek? Vivek, let me know, are you there? Okay, let's start out with the sample paper. So here, I have got few sample papers from CBSE site. So later on, I'll share those papers in description link. So you can go through with that. So prior to that, once recall all the formulas. In previous class, we did. Okay, Vivek, do you have any sample question paper? I have a few papers. Later on, I'll send that link to you. So today we'll start out with some of the papers. Let's start with that. So wait for a few minutes only. So let me open that paper. Maths, you have chosen standard or basics? Let me know. So which paper you want me to start out? Can you hear? Vivek, can you hear me? Vivek, please let me know whether you have chosen standard or basics. Okay. So here, first question, common difference of AP in which A18 minus A14 is given 32. First question, it's given A18 minus A14 is 32. We need to find common difference. For this kind of questions, directly we are going to start out the solution. 18 minus 14, D is 32. As there are MCQs, we need not to have any method. Whatever the terms are given, subtract them in terms of D as 32. 4D is 32, thus D is 8. So this is first answer. Now second question, a card is drawn from the deck of 52 cards. Event E is that card is not an act of heart. The number of outcomes favorable to E. So it's not the heart of act. So here total 52 cards are there. An event is the card that is not heart. Okay. So it is not heart. So total there are 4 hearts out of 52 cards. So they're asking what is the outcome favorable to E. So 52 minus 4, 48. Next solution. Only they asked about heart. Okay. So it's 52 minus 4. event not an heart. Okay, the event is that the card is not an heart. The number of favorable outcome, not an heart. If it is heart, then we could have written 4, not an heart. So it is 52 minus 4. Now the next question, the first term of AP. A1 is given P, common difference is given Q. We need to find 10th term. Will you try this by your own? Okay, one more letter was there, yeah. I wanted to see that whether you will find out or not. Okay, it is given like act heart. Okay, so only 4 we will choose. Now the next question, A1 is given P, D is given Q, 10th term you need to find. Do it fast. Formula A plus 9D. So A is P, 9, D is Q. Got the same answer? Okay, now the next question. Two chords AB and CD of a circle intersect at E. Okay, two chords are there which intersect at point E, and chords are AB and CD. AB and CD are the two chords which intersect at E. Good, correct answer. We need to find AE is given 2.4, BE 3.2, CE 1.6. We need to find the length of DE. Here it is given two chords intersect at E. So if we draw a circle, two chords we need to take. It's not given center, so we'll not choose it. AB, CD, where AE is given 2.4, BE 3.2, CE 1.6. We need to find DE. So this you will do by similarities of triangle. How are we going to solve it? Vertically opposite angles are equal in the triangles, and these are the angle of same segment. So triangle AED is similar to triangle CEB. Here letter selection is very important. You need to choose the letters very perfectly. Okay. So here angle A and angle C, both are angle of same segment. So both the angles are equal. Angle E is equal as it is vertically opposite angle. And the third point, remaining angle I took. So that to be in sequence. Once you get with this similarities ratio, then you can choose the sides ratio. So AE, if you are choosing the first two letters, from here also first two letters only. How we will make it is similar. For similar, AA similarity. If two angles are similar, we can make it similar by AA criteria. Okay. So that only I'm saying in 9th standard we had like if a chord is there and angles forms on the same chord, we call that they are angle of the same segment. If I'll join this BD, both the angles are formed on the same chord. So these two angles are angle of same segment. So we got 1 point, one angle, second one crossing each other. So they are vertically opposite. We got two A's equal in both the triangles. So both the triangles are similar by AA criteria. So thus the sides ratio are equal. Okay. Then if I am choosing this ED, it will be, okay, here also we are getting ED only. Triangle AED, here I have to take B. Okay, so it's EB. Here I have taken wrong. Once again, how I chose angle A equal to angle C. So A and C is equal. E and E is equal in both of them. Third case, D equal to B. So D equal to B. Then take the ratios. After getting the ratios, put out their values. AE is 2.4. CE, it's 1.6. BE, we need to find out. And BE, it's 3.2. 16 twos are 32. So ED is 4.8. Is it clear? Is it clear? I understood properly? Shall I move with next question? Okay, now the next question. Now we are in question number 5. It's given cos 9 alpha is equal to sin alpha. Okay, if you remember, I told you like 90 minus theta. Though that formula is not there, but many questions are being asked from there. So here, any one angle you need to change. Keep 9 alpha as it is and make the sign to be cos 90 minus alpha. Either you can change here, if you'll be writing it to be sine, so sine 90 minus 9 alpha will come. If I'm changing this one, this will change to cos 90 minus alpha. Whatever angle is there, that we will write with 90 minus. And we will change sine to cos, cos to sine. Only one angle to be changed. Then consider that both the angles are being cancelled. 9 alpha is 90 minus alpha. Shifting alpha that side. 10 alpha is 90, thus alpha is 9. Next they have asked, what is the value of 10 alpha? With the question, find 10, 5 alpha. We got alpha as 9. So 10, 5 multiplied by 5. We got 9. So 10, 45. 10, 45 is 1. So next answer is 1. Then sixth question, this you can answer by your own. Question number 6 is given, ratio of length of rod to the shadow. Rod to the shadow. Ratio is given 1 ratio root 3. Find theta. Say it fast. Ratio of rod to shadow is given. We need to find theta. So what will be the answer? Waiting for you. Ratio of rod to shadow is given. What is the value of theta? Very good. So theta is 10 theta. So as they are making 10 relation, P by B is there. So 10 theta is 1 by root 3. 10 theta, 10 30. Thus theta is 30. Now next question, 7th one. Here it is given. If a circular grass lawn 35 meter in radius has a path 7 meter wide running around on the outside, then area of the path. A circular path is there, its radius is given 35, 7 meter path is there around it. We need to find area of path. So this is nothing but ring. Whenever we have two concentric circles, we need to use area of ring. So here area of ring, pi common, capital R square minus small r square. So pi value 22 by 7, capital R will be 35 plus 7. So it's 42 minus 35 small r. Whenever you get this kind of questions, instead of getting the squares and subtracting them, it will be little lengthy. Once write down the values in plus, once in minus, as they are a plus b and a minus b. So here 22 by 7, 42 plus 35, it's 77, multiply by 7, 7 got cancelled. Now have the final calculation, 22 multiply by 77. So final answer is 1694 meter square. Is it clear? Should I move to next question? Okay, now coming to next question. Question number 8. In 8th question, it is given two poles of height 6 and 11 meters stand vertically upright on a plain ground if the distance between their foot is 12. So yeah, two poles are given, one is 6, other is 11 meter, and distance between their foot is given 12 meter. Then distance between their tops, so this we need to calculate. For this, we will draw a base as it is 12, so this will be 12. 11 minus 6, perpendicular will be 5. We need to find out hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, we will calculate hypotenuse. So thus it is p square plus b square is h square. 5 plus 12 square, thus it is 25 plus 144, 169, root over 13. So h is 13. We got the value. Now the next question. If the perimeter of one face of cube is 20 meter, then the surface area of the cube. So it is given perimeter of one face is 20. This is a cube. We need to find surface area of cube. So first we'll be calculating what is the length. As perimeter is 4L, 4L is given 20, thus L is 5. Surface area of cube 4 L square, 4 into 5 into 5, 25 fours are 100. So answer is 100. Okay, here the options which are given is mismatched. In options I am getting like options are given 120, 150, 125 or 400. So for surface area we are going to use 6L square. This answer will be 150. Now the next question, coordinate of the points which is reflection of the point -3 and 5 in x-axis. So here coordinate of the point which are reflection. Reflection means we are looking down. The coordinates are given -3. So it's given -3 and 5 in x-axis. So means we need to see it downward. Okay, -3 and 5. Where the coordinate will be? So -3, let it be here. 5 will be somewhat here. If we look it down, so value of x will be same only. Whenever we look about the reflection, this is generally not there in the CBSE. This we get in ICSE board. Whenever they will ask about the reflection, the value of, if it is on x-axis, means the x will remain same and y will change. If it is reflection to y, so y will remain same and x will change. As here reflection is being on x-axis, so this -3 will be same. We need to change the y coordinate. So net answer will be -3, -5. Very good. Okay, now the next question. C is the mid of PQ. 11th question. PQ is a coordinate, PQ is a line where C is the midpoint. P is given 4x and Q is given y minus 1. Okay, C is given y minus 1. Value of Q is given -2 and 4. We need to find x and y. So most probably you are knowing what is the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula in coordinate geometry, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the same way y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the x1 is 4, x2 is -2. 4 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to coordinate of x. Here the coordinate of x is y. So I'm taking the x value of both the coordinates, equating it with the x value. So equal to y Now 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is y. So thus the y is 1. In the same way, for y also will compare the y values, that is x and 4. So here x plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to value of y is minus 1. Having cross multiplication, x plus 4 is minus 2. You got both the answers? So x is minus 2 minus 4, it's minus 6. I'm getting little different. Why I got 1? Okay, you have not given answer till now. Y is 1 and x is minus 6. So x value is minus 6, y value is 1. So these are the final answers. Okay, now let's move to the next question. In the next question, it's given, question is somewhat like coordinate geometry. Will you try this by your own? Can you see it clearly? Here it is given height 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, then 165 to 170, 170 to 175. So 5 differences there. We are starting from 150. And number of students 15, 13, 10, 8, 9, 5. We need to find median. Okay. So how we can calculate median? So how to calculate median? So let's start out with that. I'll be writing values for you. So yeah, it's 150 to 155. Numbers are started being here. You make this column by your own. So first one is 15, second is 13, then 10, next is 8, then 9, then 5. So last one is 175 to 180. Whenever we calculate median, we need to find out CF. Here it is F, CF. First number to be taken as it is. Add them together. 28, 38, 46, 46 plus 9, 55, then 60. N by 2, 60 by 2 is 30. We need to see the number which is just more than 30. So the column is model class is 38. So this will be the frequency, this will be the CF. In the question they asked, what is the median class? So here the third column is 162. It's 155 to 160. So it's 160 to 165. So median class is, what will be the answer? Will you say? What is the median class? Question is median class. So this we got as a median class. So answer will be 160. Median class is 160. Clear? Is it clear? This we completed 12th question, Vivek. Vivek, not getting any response from you. Is it clear? Are you there? Okay. So median class is being asked, only one value to be given, 160, lower boundary point. Now the next question, if 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial is 2. So this I'll be waiting for you. Solve it by your own. Kx square plus 3x plus k. One of the 0 is 2. Then the value of k. You need to find k. Do it by your own. Say it fast. Kx square plus 3x plus k is given. We need to find k. Are you doing? Are you solving? So as it is quadratic equations, we'll make it 0, 2 square, 4k plus 6 plus k is 0. 5k is minus 6. So k is minus 6 by 5. Very good. Correct answer. Now the next question. If you know this formula, it's well and good. If you don't know, just learn it. Centroid. You need to find the formula of centroid. Okay, you need to find the value of centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given. For centroid, formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole divided by 3, capital X. And the same way, capital Y is y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole divided by 3. So here we are finding centroid. Now I am giving coordinates to you. First one is 3 minus 7. Second is minus 8 and 6. And third one is 5 and 10. Find out centroid and say answer. x1, x2, x3 divided by 3. y1, y2, y3 divided by 3. Centroid formula. Do it fast. Till now we did only 14 questions. It's around half an hour. So little quicker. MCQs to be completed within 15 minutes maximum. Should I say answer? 3 minus 8 plus 5 divided by 3. Minus 3 by 3, minus 1. Minus 7, 6 plus 7, 16. So it's 9. 9 by 3, 3. So answer is minus 1 and 3. Are you there, Vivek? Not saying answer? Okay, here 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0, comma 3. Correct answer. Have you got 1 by 3? 1 by 3 and 3. Here you got 1 by 3. So here 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. And for this, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 10 is 9. 9 by 3, 3. So answer is 0 and 3. Okay. Now next question. Zeros of polynomial you need to calculate. So here we are moving to question number 15 now. Zeros of polynomial, it's given x square minus 3x minus m plus 5. We need to find zeros. Okay, 0 and 3. Correct. We need to find zeros of the polynomial. Here they have not they are not asking like value of x square and all. So we need to find zeros. So direct factorization to be done. X square minus 3x, multiply them, minus m square minus 5m. Then arrange them. X square minus m square. This by factorization method we are going to deal. So I'm bringing these two together. Minus 3x minus 5m. Now here it is a square minus b square identity. So we'll write it as a plus b, a minus b. Here, okay, nothing can be taken common. Okay, here it is 3. I wrote it wrong. So this will be 3. Out of this, minus 3 can be taken common. So it will be x plus m. Now again, we can take x plus 1 m as a common. So x plus m overall common. In the next bracket, x minus m minus 3. Okay. So value of x is minus m, or it is m plus 3. So the zeros are minus m और m plus 3. फिर से समझाऊं? ओके, यही वाला क्वेश्चन ना? हाँ देखो, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस m और यहाँ पे m प्लस 3 है, तो फर्स्ट इनको ब्रैकेट ओपन करो, मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, माइनस एम स्क्वायर माइनस 3m. इसके बाद इनको हमने अरेंज किया, ये दोनों हमारे स्क्वायर के आइडेंटिटी में है, तो मैंने एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एम स्क्वायर लिख लिया, फिर माइनस 3x माइनस 3m. अब ये हो गया ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, तो इसको स्प्लिट किया ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी में, और यहाँ से माइनस 3 कॉमन ले लिया, तो ये हो गया x प्लस एम. माइनस 3 लिया इसलिए दोनों का साइन चेंज हो गया. अब इन दोनों में से x प्लस एम फिर से कॉमन है, उसको बाहर लिया, बाकी बचे को एक ब्रैकेट में डाल दिया, तो ये बन गया हमारा x माइनस एम माइनस 3. अब जब हम वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं तो हम इसका अपोजिट साइन लेते हैं, तो x हो गया माइनस एम, वैसे ही x हो गया, ये दोनों को तो शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं तो प्लस एम प्लस 3. सो फाइनल आंसर माइनस एम एंड m प्लस 3. Is it clear? Okay, so we got answer. Now the next question. Okay, those who commented, thank you. Now the next one, the value of k for which the system of equation has no solution. Now 16th question, here it is given x plus y minus 4 is 0, 2x plus ky is equal to 3. Condition is given, no solution. So for no solution, what we have the relationship? If you recall back, a1 upon a2. Will you say formula? Vivek, I'll wait for you. What is the formula for no solution? Say it fast. Waiting for your reply. Say it fast. a1 upon a2 if it is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. It's no solution. So total there are 3 formulas. Very good. I was waiting for that only. Very nice. a1 upon a2 is equal to, okay, is not equal to. No, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then we have no solution. Okay. So here we will be taking these two conditions. We need to find the value of k. So total we are having 3 formulas. No solution, first two will be equal. For unique solution, first two will not be equal. Then if it is many solutions, you need not to take the third condition. For having one solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Then infinitely many solutions. This formula is very important. You are going to get one MCQ out of this. So be clear with the formula. Now coming back, we need to get no solution condition. So we'll choose this first one. a1, here a1 is 1. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon k. Having cross multiplication, thus k is 2. We got the value of k as 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Should I start next question? Okay. Okay, some of you joined by the name Vishaka. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And regularly we'll be having class during this time. If you get time, try to attend it. Okay, the next question is given here. Pair of equation 3 raised to x plus y is given 81. And next equation, 81 x minus y is equal to 3. So how are we going to solve it? Here they use the two different properties together. Exponent is being used with linear equation. So we need to get the base equal. ठीक है, जब भी हमको पावर को इक्वल करना है तो हमको इस बेस को इक्वल करना है. ओके, हाँ, वेरी गुड. वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सेम बेस. 3 raised to x plus y is equal to 3 raised to 4, as 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So now the base is equal. We compare the power. So x plus y is equal to 4. This is our first equation. Now again making this equal, 3 raised to power 4 x minus y is equal to 3 raised to 1. Now here no power is there. Nothing is there means power raised to 1. Again the base is equal. So 4 x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. Now we need to solve them. Shifting this 4 to the denominator. So equation will be x minus y as 1 by 4. So this we got second equation. Now compare both the values. X plus y is 4. X minus y is 1 by 4. So plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Now here it is 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. Get LCM of this. 4 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. Shifting this 2 to denominator. Thus it is 17 upon 16. We got the value of x as 17 upon 16. Here some different values are given. Okay, here in options they have given like this. First one, equation have no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution, or this one. So when I solve this, I'm getting 16 over in the denominator. So value is not matching. So how we are going to, for this kind of questions, once if the values are mismatched, you got 18, 17 by 8. How you got 17 by 8? Okay, thank you. Nice. Okay, thank you for rectification. 4 2s are 8. So we'll make it in mixed number. 8 2s are 16, integer 1 by 8. Okay, we got the option. So correct answer is option number D. X is 2 integer 1 by 8 and y is 1 integer 7 by 8. Very good. Now the next question. Okay, I pronounced your name wrong. Will you write your name clearly? Correct answer. I want to call you by name. Okay, next question is given assertion. Here the question. So now we are in 19th question. It's given 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Vivek, where are you? Okay, Laksh. Very good. Vivek, where are you? Not getting your answers. Question is 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0, has repeated roots. So that is given has repeated roots. Then the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What do you mean by repeated roots? So repeated roots is nothing but equal roots. Means they have the same roots. When we get equal roots? When d is 0. So let's check it. For this case, value of b square minus 4ac. Here b is 12. b square minus 4ac. 12 square is 144. Very good. Got the same roots. Very nice. So we got d as 0. So they have repeated roots. Means the first one is true. Assertion is true. Reason is given ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation. It has got no relationship. Both the conditions are true, but it is not the correct explanation. Okay? So here both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation. So option B will come, where the reason is not the correct explanation. I've got C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. No, it is also true. No, it's quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the base form of the quadratic equation. Very good. So option B will come. Nice. Now the next question. So this is the last question for you. We completed with the MCQs here. HCF of two numbers is given 5. HCF is 5, and their product, that is P of x and Q of x, product is given 150. Then the LCM is 30. Okay, this is given assertion. And reason is given. So this only will say the option. I'm writing the reason. Okay, or just look out the reason. Here the reason is given HCF A and B LCM plus HCF plus LCM is A into B. It's given HCF plus LCM. Is it correct? Reason is given HCF plus LCM is product of two numbers. So what's we have for formula for this? ऊपर का तो assertion सब कुछ तो हमको सही दे दिया है. Product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM into HCF होता है ना? Very good. Reason is wrong. So we got correct answer over here. Reason is given wrong. So what do you have reason for? HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to P of x multiplied by Q of x, or A into B. Very good. Nice. Good explanation. Both of you are very cooperative, giving answers very accurately. So feeling very nice. Now the next question. So I got many question papers. So if I'll solve this question papers means little time is needed. So tomorrow onwards I'll start class little earlier. Okay. So I'll start it by, okay, tomorrow I'll not be there. Tomorrow I'm having afternoon school. Tomorrow, Vivek, I'll be taking in morning. Okay, tomorrow I have 10th standard class in afternoon, so I need to go in afternoon. Okay, next question. Tomorrow morning I'll start class by 10. Okay, be ready for 10 o'clock. Find the ratio in which the point, so this here we need to find. Now we're starting section B here. Coordinates are given 3, K. Divide the line segment -5 and -4, -2 and 3. Once again, so yeah, -3 and K, -5, -4, -2 and 3. We need to find, here we need to find value of K. Find the ratio and also K. So whenever ratio related questions will be there, how we are going to start? Let ratio be K ratio 1. So the formula is capital X is mx2 nx1 upon m plus n, where capital X is the find the ratio in which the point. So this is dividing. So this is the capital X, capital Y, x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's put out all the values. Capital X replaced by -3, m as K. So already here in the equation K is given. So we should not take the ratio as K ratio 1. Okay, to avoid the confusion. So you can take it like lambda or 1, or let the ratio be A ratio 1. So m is A, x2 is -2, n is 1, x1 is minus 5, a plus 1. Having cross multiplication, minus 3a minus 3 is minus 2a minus 5. Thus, minus 3a shifting a this side, so it's plus 2a minus 5 plus 3. So we got minus 2 minus a. Minus got cancelled, so a is 2. Therefore, ratio is a ratio 1. So it's 2 ratio 1. We got ratio. After getting ratio, we need to find the value of k, which we can get by y coordinate. So let's put off everything in y formula. Capital Y is my2 ny1 whole by m plus n. Now y is k here, m we got 2, y2 it's 3. So y2, I'm replacing, okay, y2 is given 3 and y1 is minus 4. So let's put that values. y2 3 and we got 1. y1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So it's 2 3s are 6 plus 3 divide by 3. So it's 9 by 3, 3. So final answer is k is 3 and ratio 2 ratio 1. So this we got final answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I start next question? Vivek, are you there? Not getting any response. Okay. Shall I start next one now? Okay, moving to the next one. Next question is given from an external point P. So here, from an external point P. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are there, drawn to the circle at O. PAB is given 50. PAB, this one is given. PAB is given 50. It's given 50. We need to find AOB. So this we need to calculate AOB. Will you try this by your own or you want me to explain? If you recall back, point of contact of the tangent is 90. If this part is given 50, so this innermost we will get as 40. 90 minus 50. So how are you going to write? Angle OAP 90, point of contact. If then angle OAB plus angle PAB is 90. Angle OAB, it's 90 minus 50. So this we got 40. As it is an isosceles triangle, both are red eye. In triangle OAB, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 40. Angle opposite to equal side. Therefore, A plus B plus O is 180, out of which A and B is 40. So angle O is 180 minus 80. So as we got 100. Angle O is AOB. This only we need to find out. Clear? Is it clear? Shall I do next one? Okay. Write the rational number between root 3 and root 2. Root 3 and root 2. You need to write rational numbers in between. So this I'm leaving for you. Write the rational numbers in between. See how to solve it. Just I'll provide hint. Root 2 value, it's 1.41. Root 3 value, 1.73. Any rational numbers you can write in between them. Get the average and add round. Okay, any numbers by putting zeros and some different numbers. So this can be your own choice. Find the seventh term from the end of AP. So here next question is 23rd one. Seventh term you need to find. Sequence is given 7, 10, 13, 184. From end you need to calculate. So as you are finding, so here it is given, find a rational number. Okay, only one rational number they asked. Correct answer, Vivek. From the end we need to find out. So this will be our first term. A is 184. A1. Common difference 10 minus 7 is 3. So whenever we will calculate from end, common difference will be taken just opposite. Okay, whatever the value you are getting, we'll be taking opposite to that. 10 minus 7, I got it 3. But we will use it as minus 3. Next, seventh term. So n is given 7. So let's start the solution. An is a plus n minus 1 d. A 184, n is 7. So n7 we are, a7 we are calculating, d is minus 3. 184, 6 multiplied by 3. So it's minus 18. 6 3s are 18. Final answer. Will you say? Got the same answer? Vivek? Got same answer? Okay, now the next question. Very good. Now the next question. How many two-digit numbers divisible by 3? So this kind of question is very important. Even for this year also, it's very important. How many two-digit numbers divisible by 3? So first two-digit number which can be divided, either they can ask two-digit number or three-digit numbers, okay? First two-digit number which get divided by 3 is 12 and the last number is 99. We are going to find how many. So n is question mark. This will simply find by an formula. An is a plus n minus 1. D is 3 as they are divisible by 3. An is 99. 12 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 3. Shifting 12 that side first. 99 minus 12 is n minus 1 multiplied by 3. Now subtract them. 87 n minus 1. Shifting 3 to denominator. Therefore n is 29 plus 1. Total 30 numbers are there which are divisible by 3. Now, so this we completed section B. Now we need to start out with section C. Section C. First question is given. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting even number on both the dice. So here as it is section C, so you need to write the events. Two dice are there. So first you start out with that. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. 2 1, 2 2. Mostly you know. So we are getting equal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of events are 36. 6 upon 36. Getting same numbers on both, 1 by 6. Now the second condition, sum of the two numbers more than 9. Answer must be more than 9. More than 9 here. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 6. Will have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conditions. Same as the previous answer. Okay? But the answer is more than 9. 6 upon 36. Again the answer is 1 by 6. Very good. For both the cases, answer is 1 by 6. Next one, an electric pole is 10 meter high. Next one is given, an electric pole 10 meter high. Steel wire is tied at the top of the pole and then making an angle 45. Theta is 45. Find the length of the wire. So this is question mark. Perpendicular and hypotenuse come in sine relation. Sine 45, it's P by H. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. P is given 10. H is given. H we need to find. Cross multiplication. So H is 10 root 2. Clear? See how simple the paper. If you have all the concepts clear. Vivek, only this question was a little different. Section D. We already did this, if you remember. Here it is quadrant. So how are you going to solve it? Quadrant theta is 90. 10 root 2, correct answer. Theta is 90, radius is given 15. Okay. OA is given 15, radius is not given. So here you need to calculate radius. So how are you going to find radius here? First join this diagonal. अगर हम ये diagonal को join करेंगे तो ये एक right angle triangle हो जाएगा, क्योंकि square में सभी angles 90 होते हैं ना. तो ये 15 है, ये भी 15 है, तो ये हमको मिलेगा 15 रूट 2. रेडियस इसका 15 रूट 2 हो गया. तो हम एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट में से एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर को माइनस करेंगे. इजी है ना? ठीक है, कर लोगे ना तुम. वैल्यूज नोट कर लो, तुमको एक करना है ये वाला. नेक्स्ट, ये पॉलिनोमियल दिया है, देखो ये वाला एक क्वेश्चन. क्वाड्रिक एरिया माइनस स्क्वायर एरिया. हाँ, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, ये पॉलिनोमियल दिया है. वेरीफाई द रिलेशनशिप. सिंपल है काफ़ी, बहुत ही. जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करना है. ओहो, इतना बड़ा फॉर्मूला दिया. ये आता है ना पूरा अच्छे से? अदरवाइज ये वाला एक करवा दूंगी. देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन आता है या फिर तुमको एक्सप्लेन करना है? विवेक बोलो. हाँ ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, मीडियन वाला दिया हुआ है. शायद इसमें एक में होने से प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बाकी तो मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है कि बाकी तो सब कुछ सिंपल है. अच्छा, एक बार मैं ये वाला देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन दिया, एक बार करके देखना. हाँ, और सेक्शन ई केस स्टडी वाला है, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का है. शायद तो हो जाएगा. अभी मैं क्लास वाइंड अप कर ले रही हूँ. और ये वाला क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है, पूरा जो PDF है वो तुमको शेयर करती हूँ. ये पहला क्वेश्चन पेपर है, सैम्पल पेपर हमारा. हाँ, फर्स्ट सैम्पल पेपर, उसी को सॉल्व करना. हाँ ठीक है, अभी क्लास एंड कर रही हूँ. कल मॉर्निंग मोस्ट वाली 10 o'clock.